the monster for Barboot. It's a real monster, 6,400 centimeters square active area at 1 meter high, like 3 feet high, with 7,500 watts activated directly with electricity, 220 or 110 volts. So this system is the best for you. Let's check. With matte material dice for Barboot, 6.6, 6.5, 5.5 means big, and 1.1 to 1 to 2 means small. So now we will test with matte material dice, 8 millimeter, 6.6 and 1.1 with remote control. We can use the remote control to activate the dice from 300 feet, 50 meters away. So let's put the transparent table, 1 meter high, nothing in the table. We just check now that the system creates enough magnetic field to activate the dice at 1 meter high for 6,400 centimeters square active area. It's very big area. This is the dice. This is the remote control. The remote control can be also directly in the shoes. Left shoe, right shoe means big and small, or directly in your hand or in mobile phone. Doesn't matter. Like you wish, you can set up the remote control. So now let's test. Big means 6.6. 6 and 6. Now small, 1.1. Now random. Now small means 1.1. Now small again. 1 and 5. Now big. 6.6. Now big again. 6.6. Now random. Now small, 1.1. Now again small, 1.1. This is the best system because you don't need to install something in the table. Everything can be installed directly in the floor, only this part, or in the ceiling. So in the floor or in the ceiling. The monster you can install in another room. This is the best system in the world, the best.